So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the Keyfob remote control for an Audi A3. This particular one is on a 2014 plate and it's the 8V model 2-litre TDi, but it will be very similar on most Audis this sort of age. This is something that you are going to want to replace as soon as you can to stop being stranded outside your vehicle. So we're just going to simply open up the Keyfob, and to do this we're just going to use a small screwdriver. We flip it over. On this particular key, the lid that needs to come off, which covers the battery, is actually the same side as where the little Audi badge is, so that will pop up. So we'll just prise that open, that top will then pop off, and that will reveal the battery, which is kind of deep down in there. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to get a screwdriver, which is thin enough, and you will have to place it into the small space there, and then that battery should then just pop out. There we go. And then it's just a case of inserting a battery back in its place. Now I would say you don't want to be doing this on a regular basis, so put the best battery in there that you can, so something like a Duracell. They also advise not to handle these batteries, so just pop the battery into the slot and then use the back of the screwdriver just to get it into place, and then it's just a case of clicking it back into place. Which you can see from the display that there's nothing popping up there, so all is good in the world. Which we can see from the little LCD display in the middle that there's no error messages come up, so all is good.